today we're expecting a pretty bad storm. I don't know if you can hear the wind there in the background, but we're supposed to have gusts up to 140 kilometers an hour. Potentially have an inch of rain and a foot of snow. So, I made a candle earlier, which is right here. Now, this candle will not store well. It's the fat from some ground beef that I fried up. And for a wick, I use this wool here. And that French. Which is 75% cotton and 25% acrylic. You can't use acrylic yarn for your wick because it'll just burn up. You know there's a storm coming and you're making your pot of pasta. You can make a pretty simple simple candle. Just take your fat, stick it in there, stick in a bit of your cotton, and instant candle as soon as it hardens. And falls over, it's pretty safe. And this here is what I use for candle holders. It's the jar my pasta sauce comes in. Which again, falls over. And I'm not sure if it's going to be windproof because the candle's up so high. Stick her outside here. Now if you were to have just a candle out, you can see that some breeze and stuff blowing around. It doesn't blow out. So it's a nice windproof candle holder. And it doesn't cost you any extra money if you eat pasta sauce in glass jars. I thought I'd do a real quick little video on candles. And it really makes my table I made look really nice by that light. That's that. I am expecting our power to go out. They've been warning us for past 3 or 4 days. There's a township about 15 minutes down the road. They've already lost power since 10 o'clock this morning. It's about 1:30 now. So I can see it coming our way. Storm is actually just starting to pick up here. And my driveway's a sheet of ice, so hopefully we don't get too much snow because I don't have chains for my four-wheeler yet. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope to get this up before I lose power, and if you guys use any of those two little candle tricks, give a thumbs up. If not, if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up anyway. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.